Xiaomi Redmi K50 Gaming Edition will be launched on April 20, 2022. The mobile will be available in various of colors. Let's talk about the specification. The Xiaomi Redmi K50 Gaming Edition comes with a 6.67-inch 120Hz OLED HDR10 Plus AMOLED display that has a 1440 by 3200 pixels resolution. The screen has a 526 ppi pixel density. The larger 20:9 aspect ratio display panel has thin bezels and a punch hole cutout at the center which accommodates the selfie camera. For security of the smartphone is handled by an in-display fingerprint sensor. This smartphone also has a face unlock support which works via the selfie camera. The device under the hood is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 octa-core processor. There is a powerful GPU of Adreno 730. The smartphone runs on Android 12 operating system out of the box with MIUI 13 skin on top. This smartphone has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. The phone on the back side features a triple camera setup. The camera module includes a 64 megapixels wide-angle primary sensor with f1.65 aperture, 8 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture and a 2 megapixels macro sensor with f2.4 aperture. The Redmi K50 Gaming Edition boasts a 20 megapixels selfie camera, which is located beneath the punch hole cutout. The smartphone is loaded with a 4500 mAh battery that has 120 watt fast charging support. In addition, the device has also included these features such as 5G, dual SIM card, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, infrared, a USB Type-C port, dual LED rear flashlight, NFC, 3.5mm audio jack, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass and gyroscope. The device has an on-screen fingerprint sensor and face unlock support. What do you think about this phone? Leave comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell button for notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.